Next question, 1.3. This still has to do with logarithms, so we just need to remember the laws. If you remember the laws, then you will not have any problems. Again, we're told to do this without a calculator. We should be able to do that without any problems. Okay, now I see this. Usually you will notice that there's a pattern with the way the questions are asked. This one, these numbers 1, 2, 5, 5, they are related, and you should be able to tell that 1, 2, 5 is 5 cubed. So it might be a good idea to rewrite all these numbers in terms of 5. So I will do that. I have log of the square root of 5 cubed minus log of the square root of 5, and then minus log the cube root of 5. This is all over log the cube root of 5. So like I said in the previous one, here I'm subtracting, so I cannot say this log cube root of 5 cancels with that one. Now I cannot do it. Before, if I was multiplying, yes, I could go ahead and cancel it, but here, because I'm subtracting, I should not do that. That would be wrong. Okay, so what can we do? Here I have the square root and this is cubed. I can rewrite this as an exponent. So this is log 5 to the power 3 over 2. So remember, square root is to the power of half, and if I have something to the power of 3 and then to the power of half, I just say 3 times half, which is 3 over 2. And then here I have log 5 to the power of half minus log 5 to the power of 1 over 3. So cube root is to the power of 1 over 3. And all I'm doing from here to there is rewriting everything with an exponent instead of a root, so that when I get an exponent here, I can bring it down. Okay, so next thing, I have log 5 to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, now that I have that, what I do is these exponents, I bring them down. Then doing that, I have 3 over 2 log 5 minus half log 5 minus 1 over 3 log 5, and then in the denominator I have 1 over 3 log 5. Okay, so that's what I have over there. Okay, I need more paper. Okay, so when I continue, I look at my numerator. I have 3 over 2 log 5 minus half log 5 minus 1 over 3 log 5. I'm just counting how many log 5s do I have. So I have 3 over 2 minus half minus 1 over 3. I can do it over here. So it says do not use a calculator, so I'm not going to. So I have 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. So I can subtract this one here because they have the same denominator. So I just subtract the numerator, so I'll get 2 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Now 2 over 2, that's the answer I got from here, is 1. So I have 1 minus 1 over 3. And this one, I don't even need to change the basis because I know what it is. I know what the answer is. 1 minus a third is just 2/3 left. Okay, so I know my answer is 2/3. So why was I doing that? Remember I said I'm counting how many log 5s do I have. If I started with 3 over 2 and then I subtract half of them and then I subtract a third of them, how many do I have left? I have 2/3 left. So in the numerator I will have 2/3 log 5s. Okay, and then in the denominator I have 1/3 log 5. Okay, now here, numerator, denominator, those two are exactly the same, so I can cancel them out. And then I'm left with 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 3. Now when we are dividing fractions, we did that previously. We say the first one stays as it is, the division changes to multiplication, and then I have 3 over 1. This I'm multiplying now. This 3 is in the numerator, it's in the denominator over there. They can cancel out. I have 2 over 1. 2 over 1 is just equal to 2. And then that is your answer. Okay, again, I can always take out my very special calculator to verify my answers. the question said it was a fraction. It had log of the square root of 125. Okay, I'm still in the numerator. Minus log of the square root of 5, and then minus log of the cube root of 5. Okay, so that's everything in the numerator. Did I type this incorrectly? No, I don't think I did. I'm still okay, so start again. Okay, so I have a fraction. This is log of the square root of 125. And then minus log of the square root of 5. Okay, and then minus log of the cube root of 5. Okay, and then now in the denominator I have log of the cube root of 5. Okay, that's not right. Okay, right, and then you can see that the answer is 2, which is what we got over there. So you just have to be careful how you type it in on the calculator. So the calculator for this question is just to check what your answer is. We had to do it without a calculator. We did, and we got the same answer as the calculator.